Hi, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use my iPhone to schedule something with my voice on my Act Premium Cloud calendar. So what I want you to see now is that it is currently on my calendar one day. It's February 19th, 2026, right there. There is absolutely nothing on the calendar. I'm going to schedule a meeting for noontime on this day using my iPhone, and I'm going to dictate it. So let me do that for you right now. Hey Siri, schedule a meeting for February 19th, 2026 for 12 o'clock and make it sample meeting number 1.
Sample meeting number 1 is scheduled for noon to 1 p.m. on February 19th.
So I don't know if you could hear that, but it was confirming it for me. So now, right at this minute, you see nothing on my calendar. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the calendar and then I'm going to press the F5 key to refresh the screen. And what you'll see is right there is the sample meeting. Now there's no tricks there. This is real time. I did everything exactly the way I intended to do it. Let me do one more for you. So at this
Just to
point,
confirm,
hey Siri, can you schedule another meeting for 2 o'clock on February 19th, 2026 and make it sample meeting number 2?
sample meeting number 2 is scheduled for 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. on February 19th.
Again, I'm going to refresh the screen by pressing the F5 key, Frank 5. And there we go. There are 2 meetings. So I did that using Siri with my iPhone and quickly got that meeting intact. For more information on how I did that and how you can do that as well, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.